Greetings, the Towering Traders. I welcome you all to another episode of the Towering Traders. Today, we will discuss something that is going to help you in a long run, not in a short run. Okay, so if you are in hurry, please pause this video or you can save it somewhere to watch it in further time, right? Because it is helping you in long run. I want it solid, I want it concrete, right? So let me clear in starting only what is our agenda, what is this video, what you will get. Okay, so if you are struggling in trading any financial market, any instrument, like if you want to trade in Forex, if you want to trade in equities, stocks, if you want to trade commodities, cryptocurrencies, and you are struggling, right? So there can be many reasons, and I am not your performance coach as well as I am not your personal tutor. I can't I'm unable to know about your condition, right? I don't know you. So, but there are some similarities between all traders that are trading and their journey. They stuck somewhere in their whole trading journey that is common to all of us traders, right? And the most important thing in that, what I believe, is how to analyze chart. What is trading system, right? It is directly related to a trading system. And let me tell you the main topic of this whole series. Basically, this is not a particular video. You are going to watch whole playlist, right? Series of videos, because whole thing cannot, long term thing is something that you need time, and I cannot deliver as well as I cannot upload whole video, a whole length of material in a single video, right? And psychologically it is, and emotionally it is also difficult to grasp. So this is about price action, means how to read your chart. The four most important thing, if you don't know about the chart, if you don't know what is happening, where you are trying or you are struggling to make money, then it is impossible for you to make money out of it, right? So that's the reason I want you all to be prepared with the arms, with the ammunitions, with the energy, with the knowledge, skills to work in this arena, right? I want you all to focus on what I am teaching you in this video, in this whole playlist, because this is gonna help you in the long run, and this will help you a lot. Like, if it will protect you from unwanted distractions that will surely come. If you are a newbie, that will surely, it is written somewhere, I don't know where, but it is written in your destiny that you will be distracted. But if you are lucky enough, then maybe this thing is the final thing you will accept. Means your subconscious will accept. Because if I am saying something that you need to accept, you are not an individual you are accepting. That is your subconscious mind that is sitting here on your head. Okay, that is important thing, that this needs to be trained to accept things, so that you cannot be fall in traps. There are lots of traps. We will talk it in further somewhere, right? This is not the right time. Well, so we are gonna understand how to read chart and how to analyze what is happening. live in front of you in live market. Someone told me that it's very easy to read or understand what is happening. You just put some indicators, you just read some sentiments, and it's ready for you. Not at all, brother. In any market, if it has buyers, it has sellers, it has good number of buyers and sellers, it has liquidity, and if there is liquidity, then surely there are price movements that will happen, and that is not in your control, because there are many players, there are people with big funds that have risk capacity that can hold much longer than you think. That's why you see candles going much further than you think it will stop or it will reverse, right? Because that's the reason trends happen. And we will go through all important, interesting concepts. Basically, this is lengthy and you can say little bit of confusing, not confusing, but some difficulties are there. So it will take time and you will get into it. I will try to make it engaging and interesting and easy for you, right? I'm sitting here because of this reason only. Well, we are gonna understand price action exactly, candle by candle, what is happening. We are going to the psychology of chart, and we will move towards psychology with different approach further. Okay, not direct. Okay, so without any what we say, nothing. Let's start this. Okay, before I start, I want you all to, I request you all to listen carefully what I am saying, as well as what I am portraying in my screen, right? What I'm showing you, what I'm trying to explain you in my screen. So I want your proper attention, and one generous subscription means you need to subscribe this channel so that our channel's strength gets better and it gives me confidence to bring more. Else I will go back to my trading and I am happy. So give a thumbs up, give a subscription, give a comment. What do you think about markets, trading, anything you want, right?